Hit or failure? Why Apple is preparing to release iPhone SE2. In the first quarter of 2020, the new iPhone will be introduced. He will get a top-end processor in an old case with an LCD screen and a thick frame. Life figured out why Apple needs it. Talk about the release of the iPhone SE2 has been going on since the spring of 2018. Until this fall, they were an empty ringing, not a single source supported rumors in any way. The topic became serious when the authoritative analyst Ming Ji Kuo spoke about the device. He confirmed that the company will release iPhone SE2 next spring at the same time of the year as the first SE. The smartphone will be created by the type of iPhone 7 and 8, the same body size and an external fingerprint scanner, which Cupertino refused in 2017. The smartphone will have a 4.7-inch LCD screen. The frame will be wide, like a prototype. The device will work on the A13 processor, the same as that in the iPhone 11, 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. According to Nikkei analysts, the device will cost from $400. In general, about $30,000 in the minimum configuration. That is, the model will literally replace the iPhone 8, even in terms of price and positioning it will be the same as a middle-class iPhone. It is hard to say whether the industry will change after the release of the iPhone SE2. We can say for sure that Apple is again adapting to the laws of the mobile market.